फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कान्हा जी ब्लॉग। तो ये सर हैं, यहाँ पर सभी को गाइड करते हैं, गुड इंग्लिश स्किल्स देते हैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की। तो यहाँ सर से बात करके देखते हैं। तो सर, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क योर सेल्फ।
Okay, well, Mr. Puspender, most welcome in Great Britain Institute of English Language. And basically, if I talk about myself Saddam, and I've been teaching over here since 2010. I have a 10-year experience of spoken classes. Many students, they just pass from here and they just learn spoken and they settle in their life. Right now, they are doing job in different sectors like NDA, Air Force. Even the teaching sector also, many teachers got the selection TGT examination through my institute.
Okay, so how many days do you run this institute?
It's
How many
actually
years, something like that?
it's a long year. In 2007 it was established the institute in Chivaramu, and after that I'm starting teaching over here in 2011. Near about 10 or 9 year I have completed in this institute.
Suppose that if any person he want to join this institute, so how can you join?
Yeah, it's a very easy process that firstly if anybody is interested for learning spoken classes, so first I give the demo of 2 or 3 days. When he feels satisfaction that I am getting something from my institute, he is learning and he is getting the way of teaching is unique, he is feeling. After that there is a process that he has to fill a registration, and the fee of registration is only 200 rupees with 2 photos passport size, and after submitting form he has to deposit the fee that is 2500, and after that membership card will be provided for the student. In future if he wants to join again, then he will be free for whole life, but there is a condition that he can speak English.
Okay, sir. So suppose that if any particular person he has joined this institute, so firstly what do you think do you provide that particular person?
Okay, well, actually we start from the basics, sir. I know that mainly the student they are coming here, their English is so weak, so we start from the basic, and the basic is very easy. We start from the zero level, and slowly we I do the conversation. I just make the student that how you can speak English with the small sentences, daily basis sentences. I just teach to the student, and after 15 or 20 days I start some medium course, and slowly it's a process, sir. When a student come in institute, automatically he start speaking after 1 month, and the course periods we have time period of 3 months. In 3 months student definitely start speaking English if it is serious. If he is serious and if he is doing the practice at home, very soon he can easily.
Okay, sir. So if any person he don't know how to speak English,
Yeah.
well, something you know how to speak any particular person little bit, so
Okay.
how can you that person he can improve your English very well?
Okay. Actually, sir, you know that the English comes from the atmosphere. As we learn the Hindi, first what we do, we just observe the things, and slowly we start speak Hindi. A day start that we start speaking very fluently. Similar case with the English, we start from the basic level. A student can speak English little bit, he can speak English fluently very soon, because he know the things easy, he know the thing already. He needs a atmosphere of spoken classes. Here if he comes, definitely he can speak English very perfectly within a 2 months if he knows little bit English. Here we provide the atmosphere, we provide the materials, facilities, and debate classes, GD classes we provide the student. By this this is the process, automatically he start speaking English.
How many cost your institute if any person join?
I told you that only 2500 rupees it's the fee of institute for the 3 and 4 months, and after that if he wants to join continuously, then he would be free, but there should be condition that he can start speaking.
So how many branch?
I should speak in Hindi also.
Okay.
Okay, एक बार फ़ीस हमारे यहाँ लगती है, उसके बाद आपसे दोबारा फ़ीस नहीं लगेगी। बस शर्त ये है कि 3 से 4 महीने में आपको इंग्लिश सिखा दिया जाएगा, फिर आपको इंग्लिश में ही यहाँ पे बोलना है। अगर आप हिंदी बोलते हैं तो आपको यहाँ से, हमारे यहाँ इंस्टीट्यूट से फिर मना कर दिया जाएगा दैट you can go from here because you are not speaking English. This is a condition, rules and regulation are there.
सो अगर कोई इस इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन करना चाहता है तो कर सकता है, और बाकी की इंफॉर्मेशन मैं लिंक के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा। और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यहाँ लोग आप आइए, ये सर हैं, ये केवल आपको इंग्लिश ही नहीं पढ़ाते, ही इज़ नॉट लर्निंग इंग्लिश बट आल्सो ही हैज़ प्रोवाइड ए लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स।
Thank you, sir.
बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर एंड पर्सनालिटी समथिंग लाइक दिस। सो आप इस इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो मैं इसकी जानकारी, बाकी की जानकारी लिंक के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, वहाँ से आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।
थैंक यू सर। और लास्ट चीज़ मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, आप भरोसे के साथ आइए, और मैं आपको भरोसा दिलाता हूँ अगर आप मेरे यहाँ 3 से 4 महीने देते हैं तो आपको इंग्लिश 100% आपको इंग्लिश बोलना आएगा। अगर आप सही सीरियस तरीके से अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो मोस्ट वेलकम। और सर ये पुष्पेन जी हैं, और इन्होंने भी इंग्लिश को काफ़ी हद तक इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है। स्टार्टिंग में जब ये आए थे तो इतना अच्छे से नहीं बोलते थे, बट नाउ डेज़ ही कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, और बहुत अच्छे से ये अपने चैनल को भी रन कर रहे हैं। और आप लोग इसको, इनके चैनल के थ्रू जुड़िएगा और इंस्टीट्यूट को भी आप ज्वाइन करिएगा। थैंक यू।